Hello butterflies, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another look. This time it's going to be blue and green. So we're going to start off with the base on the eyes. Make sure you put that all over the lid. And then I'm going to start off with a blue color as in transition color. This color I'm going to be focusing on the outer corners of the eyes. And I'm going to pull it down a little bit down the bottom side. And just try to put as much product as possible. And once we finish with that one, I'm gonna go ahead and get like a greenish color, like a bluish greenish color. This color is gonna be right next to the blue one. After that green color, I'm gonna take like another yellowish green color. Oh no, it's not the yellowish green, sorry. I took the green color and I just put it on the inside of my eyes, on the inner corners of my eyes. And then I just went in with a clean brush and just blend in any harsh lines. Blend it in, blend it as much as you can. After I was done with that, I went in with the yellow and I just put it in my inner corners of my eyes to give it like a little pump. After that, I went in and I did my eyebrows like you can see here. And I used some silver glitter to put it on my crease. And then I went ahead and put some white highlight under my brow bone. On my brow bone. And then I just went in again and blended as much as I can. After I was done with that, I went in and put more of that blue on my lower lash line, really close to my eyes, and then I blended it in with the green. Blend as much as you can with the green. Then I put my lashes on. I love these lashes. After I finished with the lashes, I just put a little bit more of the yellow and a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. And that is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like this video if you loved it, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.